Hi everyone, I'm Steve Quinn, coach and ebook author, and I want to tell you today about a little coaching framework that I think you'll find really useful in terms of having coaching conversations with people. It's called GROW, and each of the letters represents a stage, and I want to explain what each of the letters means and what each of the stages are so that you can use this model quite quickly. So the first step in this process is to establish goals for the session. So what does the person being coached want to get out of a coaching conversation today? Are they looking for ideas in their development? Are they looking to have a solution to a problem? Are they seeking to clarify or make progress on a team issue? What is their focus? What are their goals today in this conversation? Important starting point. Yeah. That allows us then to move on to say, okay, let's explore the present situation. What's the current situation? What's their reality? And that's about establishing a range of things. What's been going on? What's happening now? What's happened in the past? Who's been involved? What solutions have been tried before? What development activities have been undertaken in the past? So this is very much about establishing the current reality of the person being coached, which allows us then to move on to look at, well, what are the options for making progress here? What are the solutions we might look at? What are the opportunities for development we might consider? So this is about helping the person being coached to generate their own options. It's not about telling them what the solution is. This is not the place where you'll be saying, this is what you should do. This is about helping them to think about what the possibilities are in terms of moving forward. Now, it is okay to offer suggestions for consideration. You might say something, have you thought about whatever? Or have you considered how other people tackle this kind of issue? That's okay, because that's developing their thinking. It's not giving them the answer. So that's the option stages. It's stretching thinking, it's exploring alternative possibilities, alternative solutions, and it leads us nicely into the final stage of the process, which we call wrap-up. And wrap-up is about deciding on what are the steps that take us forward. What's the little action plan? Which of these options are we going to choose? Or are we going to combine? So it's very much about looking forward, taking steps, pinning those down, and really importantly, committing to do something about it. So we can make a decision, but we need to implement it for something to happen. So this is about deciding what to do, but it's also committing to make it happen. That's really important. So this is a critical stage. You might, at this stage, explore what support do you need, or what things or people might get in the way of you making progress here. It's okay to do that. You might introduce the idea of having a success measure. How will we know we've been successful? That's good too. And the final thing you probably do is to say, okay, let's review this in 3 months' time. Let's sit down and see what progress you have made. And that's the GROW model. That's it. So it's a step-by-step roadmap. It's a roadmap that you could use today to have a coaching conversation. In fact, could I encourage you to actually find an opportunity today to have a coaching conversation and have a try using this little model? Because I think you'll be surprised pleasantly about the kind of results that you can get. So you can start using it really, really quickly. The GROW model, a simple model. There are many out there. This is a good one. It's a great place to start. I hope you find it useful. I hope you found this little video useful today, and that we might talk again soon. Thanks for joining us.